is Foxy at 50. My name is Nuala Black and my cat's just gone. Start again, I thought he was out. This is Foxy at 50. My name is Nuala Black and today I'm going to be demonstrating Russian twists. And Russian twists will target the whole of the core, really will strengthen our core. And of course it targets the obliques, and that's what we want for a great waistline. And again, it's just a couple of minutes. Once we use the weights, we get such an effective workout. Do have a look at my videos where I've explained the importance of weights after 50. And for my Russian twist today, I've got a 5.5 pound weight or 2.5 kilos. Of course, you do not have to start with that. You can just start with 1 kilo or 0.5 of a kilo. And then you can progress to heavier weights as you move along. Also, I'm going to start with my feet on the floor. But again, as you progress, you can take your feet off the floor for an even more effective workout. But even keeping your feet on the floor, you still get a really, really good workout. We're going to do 3 sets of 20, so you've got 10 on each side. And that's it. Take a couple of minutes if that. So nothing's stopping us. And having a strong core is going to help us in every other type of exercise we do. So let's begin. And you're going to just look straight ahead, feet are on the floor, and we're just going to twist round to the left and then to the right, as simple as that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and of course I was going pretty briskly there, so you can slow it down as much as you need to. So the next set of 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then I'm going to just do 1 set with my feet off the floor, but if you're not ready for that, then just keep them on the floor, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what you immediately feel is the strain in your thighs. As soon as you lift your legs up, you're working your thighs as well, all at the same time. So that's what we like. So once again, thanks very much for listening. Do check out my other weights videos, particularly the one that explains the benefits of using weights after 50 and why it really is essential. Do subscribe, and if you'd like notifications of when the next video comes out, just ring the little bell. So I'm Nuala Black, this is Foxy at 50, and until the next time, stay safe, happy, healthy and well. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, bye bye.